Can I learn Python on my own? Fortunately, an experienced programmer in any programming language, whatever it may be, can pick up Python very quickly. It's also easy for beginners to use and learn, so jump in. Is Python easy to learn? Python is a simple and straightforward language as it doesn't have any complex language syntax or intricate guidelines. Moreover, it resembles the English language in high demand. Python was ranked first in top programming languages by the IEEE Spectrum in 2018. How many days will it take to learn Python? On average, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks to learn the basics. This gets you enough time to understand most lines of code in Python. If you want to become an expert in Python and its field and plan on getting into data science, then months and years of learning is needed. Can I learn Python in a day? Learn the Python programming language. First concepts are represented in a to the point style to cater to the busy individual. With this box, you can learn Python in just one day and start coding immediately. Can I learn Python in 2 days? Yes, you can learn Python in 2 to 3 days. If you have the capabilities and you really want to learn Python, you can learn it in 2 to 3 days. You can read, you can learn, and also can explore in this technology. After having the list knowledge in this, you can only learn the basics of it only. Can I learn Python in 3 days? There could not be a better time for you to join the world of Python. Learn Python in 3 days. Step by step guide for beginners. 2. Advanced is the world's best selling guide to the Python programming language. This fast-paced learn the fundamentals of Python and practice problems. Can I learn Python in 2 weeks? There are many ways you can learn Python in 2 weeks at a basics level of course, such as looking up books in the library, online tutorials such as Code Academy, and even school textbooks. Learning how to be versatile with the code is key, and try to spend an hour or two a day learning Python and practicing. Now, how can I learn Python in 21 days? Here in this article, we will discuss a thorough curriculum or roadmap that you need to follow to learn Python in just 21 days. Understand the basics day 1. Learn Python data types, variables and operators day 2 to 3. Learn conditional and flow control statements in Python day 4 to 5. Can I learn Python in a month? Apparently yes, you can. First and foremost requirement to learn Python within a month or not is knowledge of coding and a little bit proficiency in any other language like C, C++, C#, Java, etc. If you have the workable knowledge of any of these languages, you can learn Python in a month. How is Python used in real life? Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Many developers find Python applications for building ML algorithms easy and convenient. Python is also great for all solutions, including data analytics, advanced computing, text and data processing, image recognition, and several more.